Homemade moisturizers for long-lasting hydration. Title: Homemade moisturizers for long-lasting hydration. Introduction. A well-hydrated and supple skin is often considered the epitome of beauty, and maintaining proper hydration levels is essential for the overall health of our skin. While there are numerous commercial moisturizers available in the market, many people are turning towards homemade moisturizers for a more natural and cost-effective approach. In this article, we will explore a variety of homemade moisturizers that can help you achieve long-lasting hydration for healthy and radiant skin. Benefits of homemade moisturizers. Homemade moisturizers have gained popularity due to their numerous benefits. Firstly, they contain all natural ingredients, eliminating the risk of harmful chemicals that are often found in commercial products. Secondly, homemade moisturizers can be customized to suit individual preferences, allowing you to tailor your skincare routine to your unique needs. Lastly, homemade moisturizers are often more affordable than their store-bought counterparts, making them an attractive option for those on a budget. 1. Coconut oil moisturizer. Coconut oil is a versatile ingredient that provides excellent hydration for the skin. With its rich consistency and high concentration of fatty acids, it helps lock in moisture and improve the skin's elasticity. To make a coconut oil moisturizer, simply melt a tablespoon of organic, extra virgin coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl. Once melted, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance and mix well. Apply this mixture onto clean skin after showering to enjoy its nourishing benefits. 2. Honey and yogurt moisturizer. Honey is known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate the skin gently. To create a honey and yogurt moisturizer, mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Apply the mixture to your face, massaging it in gentle circular motions. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This moisturizer will leave your skin feeling hydrated and rejuvenated. 3. Aloe vera gel moisturizer. Aloe vera gel is a popular ingredient in skincare due to its cooling and healing properties. It helps restore moisture, soothe irritation, and promote collagen production. To make an aloe vera gel moisturizer, extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and blend it until smooth. Mix it with a few drops of vitamin E oil to enhance its moisturizing effects and preserve its freshness. Apply this mixture onto your skin twice daily for optimal hydration and glowing skin. This combination works wonders for dry and sensitive skin. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of shea butter in a double boiler. Once melted, add 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and stir well. Allow the mixture to cool and solidify before applying it to cleanse skin. The rich texture of this moisturizer will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and adequately hydrated. 5. Green tea and rosewater moisturizer. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that protect and revitalize the skin. Rosewater, on the other hand, helps balance the skin's pH and retains moisture. To create a green tea and rosewater moisturizer, steep a green tea bag in hot water for a few minutes. Remove the bag and allow it to cool. Mix this infused water with an equal amount of organic rose water. Transfer the mixture to a clean spray bottle and spritz it onto your face whenever your skin needs a quick hydration boost. 6. Avocado and Olive Oil Moisturizer. Avocado is not only a delicious fruit but also a fantastic moisturizer for the skin. It contains vitamins A, D, and E, which can deeply nourish and hydrate the skin. Olive oil, on the other hand, is known for its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. To make an avocado and olive oil moisturizer, mash half of a ripe avocado in a bowl until it reaches a creamy consistency. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Gently massage the mixture onto your face and neck, allowing it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and enjoy the smooth and moisturized feel of your skin. 7. Almond Oil and Shea Butter Moisturizer. Almond oil is a lightweight oil that easily absorbs into the skin, providing instant hydration. Shea butter is deeply moisturizing and can improve the skin's elasticity. Together, they make a powerful duo for long-lasting hydration. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of shea butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Once melted, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and mix thoroughly. Allow the mixture to cool and solidify. Apply a small amount to your skin, focusing on dry areas. Massage gently until fully absorbed, and enjoy the nourishing benefits of this homemade moisturizer. 8. Oatmeal and Milk Moisturizer. Oatmeal is not only a nutritious breakfast option but also an excellent moisturizer for the skin. It can soothe dry and irritated skin while providing long-lasting hydration. Milk contains lactic acid, which acts as a natural exfoliant and moisturizer. To create an oatmeal and milk moisturizer, grind half a cup of oatmeal into a fine powder. Add enough milk to form a paste-like consistency. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, moisturized, and rejuvenated. 9. Cucumber and Mint Moisturizer. Cucumber is known for its cooling and hydrating properties, making it perfect for soothing dry and irritated skin. Mint provides a refreshing sensation and can help balance the skin's oil production.